Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating my signature full Delco system conversion. That means the 8-Track is converted for optimum performance through the radio that I've converted as well. This is from Bob in Paradise Valley, Arizona, and the system is out of a 1968 Pontiac GTO, and customer has requested modern internal conversion with FM, Bluetooth, and USB. And so we're going to run it through the test to make sure everything works before we send it back. So let's turn the radio on. I do have it set to FM at the moment. And to save time, I'm not going to keep running through all the way down the dial. I just preset all the stations button, and that gives a pretty good test of the FM section. So we'll just go down the line.
If I can take Democrats posing as journalists, it's
Okay, so there's FM. So to go to AM, we just turn it off and then right back on within about half a second, and we should get two weak stations down here. One, two, and then we get a strong station right about there. Okay, so we'll go back to FM. Okay, we're back on FM. Let's make sure that let's test the virtual balance and fader functions. We're going to need our output level meters for that. We're going to activate the virtual front rear fader. We do that by rotating our tone control twice to the right. So here we go. Okay, it didn't quite take. Try it again. Okay, fader adjust. So now the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. All the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center it.
Persisting and resist. That was all good stuff in the media. And fader set.
Okay, time's out. Fader set. Let's try the balance control. Same procedure, except we turn this tone control twice to the left. Here we go.
Yeah, and list.
Okay, try it again.
And that was Hillary Clinton. She's got more than one, I think. She's kind of boy, she's an awful, horrible person.
It takes a certain touch.
Got to stop. So I can hardly blame.
There we go.
Part of it for some of it.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting our left-right balance.
In Georgia,
all the way left,
not on the good side,
all the way right,
Trump, and he just
left, right.
And,
okay, I'm going to center the speakers. I'm going to let it time out. Okay, balance is set. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We're just going to turn our volume control twice to the right for that.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. So in 90 seconds, that lady will come back on saying pairing not completed. While we're waiting for that, we can test the USB. I'm just going to plug my radio commercial into it real quick, make sure it switches over and starts playing. Okay, unplug our stick, radio comes back, and the last thing to check is the 8-track. And now this 8-track Delco systems were kind of crazy. A lot of errors and mistakes, especially in their service manuals. They originally had this 8-track wired for these lights to be on all the time, even when not using the tape player or the radio. If the 8-track was getting power, it was lit up. I changed that so that these lights only light when there's a tape insert. So here we go. We're going to plug a tape in, and on this system, the 8-track is kind of loud, so you might want to turn the radio down a little bit before you put a tape in. Okay, going to switch tracks a bunch of times. Nice bright sounding 8-track.
Pairing not completed.
Okay, as promised, pairing not completed.
Come on in, the water's fine. No, don't you ever call her that guy. When you hold my hand, I'm a friend.
Okay, that's blank at the moment.
Get out and circulate.
Okay, pull the tape out, and the radio comes back. And that completes the test. Everything's working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to start packing these jobs. I got several jobs that need to be packed, so I'm going to be cutting out of here on you guys. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this has been my signature Delco full system conversion. No other shop in the world converts the Delco system the way that I do. That is, all the electronics also come out of the 8-track player, and in goes my own special preamp to make the tape sound brighter. My preamp is the brightest sounding preamp you've ever heard on the 8-track system. So, that being stated, I'm Barry. You know how to reach me. My number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Bob, for your business, and we'll see you guys next time.